Every face wash starts with nature's purest ingredients.
Purity begins with crystal clear water.
Ingredients are carefully loaded to maintain freshness.
Ingredients are stored under ideal conditions before use. Digital tracking ensures nothing is misplaced in the process.
Before processing, every ingredient undergoes rigorous cleaning.
Automation assists workers in precise sorting and allocation.
Here, the natural ingredients begin their transformation into face wash. Active ingredients are blended for nourishing and refreshing effects.
Nutrients like vitamin E are blended in for skin nourishment.
The final face wash rests in holding tanks, ready for packaging.